Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is Shri and today we'll see how to upload files in Selenium. Chances are 8 out of 10 interviews will throw this question at you. Do you know how to upload files in Selenium? So don't you worry, we'll be checking out two cool ways, sendKeys and robot class to upload files. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Alright, let's get into it. In Selenium, we have multiple ways to handle file uploads. The most straightforward one is using sendKeys, but this works only with input tags. For more complex scenarios, we can use robot class, SQLi, or AutoIT. In this video, we'll focus on sendKeys and robot class. Rest we'll see in the next video. Also, I'll drop the link for the file upload test website in the description below, so you can practice with that. Let's start with sendKeys. We'll initialize our WebDriver and navigate to our test website. Now to upload a file, we'll find the input tag and use sendKeys to pass the file path. That's it. Simple and straightforward. This works perfectly if your file input is an HTML input element. Let's run it. As we are using sendKeys, it right away pastes the file path. Next, we'll see robot class. This is especially useful when we are dealing with non-input element or custom file upload dialog opens, which usually happens. We use string selection to hold the file path and set it to the system clipboard so that we can simulate key press event with robot class and paste the file path in dialog. We'll click the upload button and simulate the key press event to paste it, which is Ctrl V, and we'll press the enter button. The delay ensures that the actioner performs smoothly without any issues. And this is more reliable when running on unmonitored VMs rather than running in local, because it uses cursor position to paste the clipboard text. Now let's see how robot class works. It clicks on upload file button and we get this Windows file upload dialog box. Robot class enters the file path and it simulates enter key press. And there you have it. Two effective methods to automate file uploads in Selenium. sendKeys for simple cases with input tags, and robot class for more complex scenarios where you get this file upload dialog box. In the next video, we'll cover SQLi and AutoIT, so stay tuned for that. Also, let me know in the comments which method you prefer, or if you would like to see tutorial on SQLi or AutoIT sooner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.